In this video, I'll show you how to make beauty ice, my secret weapon to better looking skin. Are you struggling to drink more water, keep your gut healthy, and get all the vitamins and minerals you need in a day? This 3-ingredient recipe supports luminous skin in 3 ways. The first is fiber. Gut health has a direct impact on skin radiance and reducing acne and inflammation. The second is water with a splash of fruit juice to enhance the flavor. The third is collagen peptides to help keep your skin elastic. For this recipe, you can use a tablespoon to measure the liquid. I'll be using this ice tray with a lid as the mold. It's fresh from the dishwasher, so it has a few water spots. The most effective skincare starts from the inside out. This beauty hack is the perfect way to help your skin be more radiant, firm and smooth. I'll start by adding the ocean spray Fruitas Frescas. I used to make fruit and herbal infused water every few days. Keeping fresh fruit and vegetables on hand and all the prep work was too much to do daily. I found this at my local Walmart. Making ice cubes from this is a good, low-effort alternative to make fruit-infused water. The main ingredients are water, grape juice, and cranberry juice. A tablespoon of Fruitas Frescas is 3 calories. The bottle's cap holds about 1 tablespoon of liquid. You can use the cap instead of the tablespoon to measure. I'll fill all 16 of the slots. I am purposely making smaller ice cubes. I don't want the ice cubes so large that they take too long to melt. I want the collagen and fiber to mix in with the water as I drink it. I am not a medical professional. Nothing in this video should be construed as medical advice. Talk with your medical professional about any questions before trying this or any other recipes or supplements. Fruitas Frescas contains some sugar. If sugar is an issue for you, you can try other low-calorie bottled juices like Ocean Sprays or Target Marketplace's diet juices with only 5 calories. However, they still have 1 gram of sugar per serving and uses the artificial sweetener, sucralose. Next, I add the collagen peptides. I add no more than 1/16 of a tablespoon of collagen across every 3 ice cubes. You can add more per cube, but my goal is to consume 20 grams of collagen a day. I get half of the collagen in my morning smoothie and the other half while drinking my water during the day. You can divide the collagen up across the ice cubes as you see fit. The fiber powder directions say you can add 2 teaspoons to every 4 to 8 ounces of liquid. Since every ice cube has 1 tablespoon of liquid, which is 0.5 ounces, you can add anywhere from 1/8 to 1/16 of a teaspoon of fiber powder to each cube. I recommend adding less fiber and building up the amount over time to avoid any gastrointestinal distress. That's all the prep work done. It's that easy to mix up a batch. Here you can see the fiber and collagen have already dissolved. I'll snap the lid closed. I like having a lid to avoid spills in the freezer. I will add links to the ice cube tray and the ingredients in the description. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It's time to place the ice cube tray in the freezer. Now, we wait. You can see that I only fill the ice cube tray about halfway.
2 hours later.
Freezing times may vary, but I find 2 hours is long enough for my ice cubes to set. Now to see the finished product. This ice cube tray has a couple of features to help release the ice quickly. The bottom is made of silicone that you can press on to help release each individual cube. This is easier than trying to use a twisting motion to release the ice or banging the tray on the counter. Having a lid on the tray is nice too, because I can flip the entire tray over and gravity helps slide out the ice cubes too. Here you have 16 good-looking, beauty ice cubes ready to add to your water throughout the day. They look like big Jolly Ranchers. I am tempted to just pop one in my mouth as a treat. The little bit of flavor these add make reaching my daily hydration goals so much more enjoyable. I make several batches over the weekend, and store them in either a Ziploc bag or storage container. When I am ready to use them, I drop 4 or 5 cubes in a glass and pour 8 ounces of water over the top. It's a nice little treat and so much easier than the regular way of making fruit-infused water. Let me know in the comments if you try making some beauty ice.